Welcome to 32 Westhaven Drive, the premier mountain view home you've been waiting for. This mountain modern contemporary home captures the ultimate in timeless style and design in a setting without equal on coveted Sunset Mountain. The views are outstanding and unending, and privacy is yours in this walkable neighborhood, a rarity for Town Mountain, yet minutes from Asheville's vibrant downtown. This haven is waiting for you to call it home. Once you see it, you'll know.